Hey everybody, I'm Adrian Bustamante from YouTube's Food Deconstructed, and today I'm going to show you what light appetizers to serve at a company party. Well, I'm going to start off with the first one. The first one being some nice chicken cilantro wontons. These are quick and easy. You can buy them at a lot of specialty stores or grocery stores. You can put it in the microwave. They're really fast, really easy if you're kind of under the gun to get things done. I usually try and dress them up with some parsley and then throw some soy sauce or some soy sauce in there as some dipping. But if you want to make people feel really special, take the time out and make them something. I'm going to show you what to make right now. I'm going to do a quick and easy bruschetta. Now all you need for a bruschetta are a few items. You need some tomato, you need some garlic, some basil, you got some olive oil, you got some balsamic vinegar, and then of course you got salt and pepper. So first things first, we're going to add the tomato. What we're going to do is we're going to cut it. So I'm going to do a little slice here and make it nice and simple. Depending on how you want your bruschetta, you can have big chunks, you can have small chunks. I'm going to make probably medium-sized chunks for everybody here so you can at least see what's going on in the bowl. So there you go. There are my chunks. Take that out. Why didn't you go all the way through? Perfect. All right, so you have your chunks of tomato. I'll give you like an eyeball view. Like I said, you may want to go a little thinner than that, but I at least want to show you how these ingredients all come together. Makes it easier if they're a little bigger. So I got some basil, roughly about a teaspoon of basil or more, depending on how many people you're serving, and then garlic. Fresh garlic is always the best, but you can use garlic powder if you want. Got some olive oil. You're going to do about a teaspoon of olive oil. Go a little bit more than that. And balsamic vinegar. And do about a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. And then, of course, to taste, you're going to go salt, excuse me, and a little bit of pepper. So once you have all those in a bowl, you're just going to give it a good mix. You're mixing because you want to make sure you get that balsamic vinegar and that oil all together. Also getting in that garlic and basil. Now, if you can leave this sit for a not a long time, but a couple hours at least, you can let all those flavors kind of come together. But you can make it and serve it right away as well. So you're good there with the bruschetta. Now, the next piece of the puzzle is in the oven. And I have some French bread that's been toasting. I'm going to bring it over here and show you how I'm going to do this. So you'd bring the bread in, and you would just serve bruschetta on the bread. Again, you can make your bread as big as small as you want. You can make as many pieces as you want. That's why this is such a great item for a party, because you can make this in bulk. Going off to the side. And then when you're done there, you can bring your plate in. And voila, you got bruschetta. And you got cilantro wontons. It's great. And there you have it. I'm Adrian Bustamante, and this has been What Appetizers to Serve at a Company Party.